Celeste Renee, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. No, let me stop playing. Anyways, guys, let's get started. This is the end of the 6-week challenge, and I burnt my neck this week trying to curl my hair, and it's tilling out a little bit, but yeah. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Yes, today is the last day of the 6-week challenge, and I'm excited that this challenge is ending because I'm ready for the 10-week challenge to start, which is starting on the 31st. So yes, super excited. This challenge was great. Let me stop talking like crazy girl. Okay, so anyways, back to real life girl. This challenge was really good, guys. I guess I should tell you how much weight I lost this week. I lost, let me look at the app to make sure. Oh, actually, guys, I gained 0.2 pounds. So altogether for this 6-week challenge, I lost a total of 4.6 pounds. That is so horrible. Oh, Lord Jesus. I don't even know what's going on with my life right now. But as I said, when we started this challenge, my body fat was at 45. Can y'all see these numbers? Y'all know my camera. I was at the highest. I was at 45% body fat. And as of today, I'm down to 41.9% body fat. So I'll take it. Them scales numbers didn't really move, but the body fat went down tremendously, so she's here for it. If y'all can tell by my voice, I'm just trying to make myself feel better about this lack of pound lossage. She's not really happy about that. But anyways, what is this? Yuck. Yuck. But yes, guys, I didn't do very well in the 6-week challenge. I don't feel like I did well for myself, because I don't want somebody who did lose like maybe 2 pounds or 3 pounds or 4 pounds to feel bad. Don't feel bad. I'm just very hard on myself. So if you did lose 4 pounds out of the 6 weeks, kudos to you. Good job. But for me, I feel like I failed, guys, because my goal was 20 pounds. She did not even get close to that. So I'm really excited for this 10-week challenge, which is starting on Sunday, because I feel really motivated, guys. Like, I feel really just pumped and ready. Not saying that I wasn't motivated for the 6-week challenge, but like when this 10-week challenge comes, like, you know, I actually have like a real goal. Not that the 6-week challenge wasn't a goal, but my birthday is coming up. The challenge ends on my birthday week. So it's like, girl, you have to be snatched. Like, I'm going out the country. You know, guys, we gotta be snatched. So Snatch Snack Squad is in full the Snatch Snack Squad is in full effect for these 10 weeks. Like, we're going in, we're about to do this. Like, we're gonna be looking real snatched, and I'm super excited. But back to the 6 weeks challenge. It was good, guys. It was really motivational. That's what I will say. Y'all kept me motivated, and yes. So once the challenge ended, this video is going up on Saturday. But anyways, we have like a few days until the 31st, and I've been living my best life. I don't know about y'all. I'm like, let me just go ahead and eat all the stuff I want to eat, because y'all, we gotta go in. We gotta go in. We gotta bust our asses off. Like, I need before pictures. Like, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I don't even know why I'm so excited. I don't even know why this video I'm even talking about the 10-week challenge, because I'm gonna do a 10-week challenge video on Sunday. So I don't even know what I'm doing right now. But I'm really excited, super excited for the 10-week challenge. But the 6-week challenge was really awesome. You guys were very awesome. Like, just leaving your comments. I feel like it's like a little Snatch Snack Squad community. Like, oh, it's just amazing. So yes, oh, I got a PR packet. And yes, that's that. So I lost a total of 4.6 pounds. Let me make sure I show y'all my receipts. Not that it matters. I'm not even proud. I wish I was lying. Shit. I mean, shoot. Lost 4.6 pounds. That's not even nothing to say. So I wish I was lying about that. But I don't know why my thing won't zoom. I need to Google it to see how to make, when you show your camera. I don't know why it's doing that. But yes, I lost 4.6 pounds in the 6-week challenge, and my goal is 20 pounds. Clearly, she did not make it to her goal. And anyways, I'm not gonna let that get me down, because like I said, I started at 45% body fat, and I'm down to 41.9. So she's still looking snatched. Not really, but that's she's gonna tell herself, so she cannot cry on camera. No, I'm playing. But yes, 6-week challenge. It was great. It really made me stay focused. There's a lot of stuff that I'm going to change in the 10-week challenge. I've already like written out my plan for the 10-week challenge. I'm going to discuss that on Sunday's video. On the 31st, I'm doing a whole 10-week challenge video telling you guys what I'm going to do, what I'm going to eat, some things I'm going to do to try to stay on task, all that stuff. So yes. So yeah, guys, that's it. The 6-week challenge, it was a fail for me. It wasn't a fail. I'm not going to say it was a fail, because It wasn't a fail. It wasn't a fail. I'm not gonna say that because I don't want y'all to feel. I don't want my bad energies to like inflict on y'all. So I don't want y'all to, whatever poundage that you lost, that is good. Do not listen to me. It's not a failure. Cause some of y'all was out here killing the game. So I don't even know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all was out here losing 15 pounds, 10 pounds. I'm like, nah, girl. What you doing? Like, give the girl some. Why am I scratching like a crackhead? Anyways, but yeah, some of y'all did really good. So make sure you put in the comments your ending results for the 6-week challenge. I'm gonna put my before and after picture on the template, on the what's the thing called? What's the little thing called that you can see the picture? Wow, I can't even think of it. I can't think of it, but it's gonna be the before and after picture. So if y'all see a change, let me know. Don't say anything mean because I will fight. No, I won't. But anyways, yes guys, that was that. 6-week challenge is over, sadly, but the 10-week challenge is starting. What day are we starting? March 31st, and it ends, we start the week of March 31st and then it ends June 2nd. So our first weigh-in will be the April 1st, no, April 7th, and then our last weigh-in will be June 9th, which is my birthday. So yes, I'm super excited guys, and yeah, I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.